Hi everyone, thanks for coming up for the session. Today we are going to talk about the Innov8NX tool, which we call it Innov8NXTGPTs. Um, so imagine a world where there is factory workers, engineers, operators are constantly accessing information or shifting through endless manuals and documents that could be for troubleshooting or could be for the training or for decision making. They're constantly looking for some information if something goes down or something is not working in the spec or the recipe has some discrepancies or the specifications are not right and things like that, right? So the we built a platform just within few clicks. The user can upload any documents, and then that can be across your entire company, and you can start asking questions. Now, um, the default one has the compliance documents, which is basically the OSHAs and the cybersecurities of the world. So we made it in such an easy, no complex way to build and 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 start using Gen AI tools for troubleshooting or training or decision making. You can also use the reasoning tools to build deep like root cause analysis and things like that. Our idea is no complicated setup. It's very simple and easy. As you see, this is the UI, and we also made it secure on a company level and within the company user level, so you can see it has its own login. You have to log in to get access to it. So the default one, we built it in security and AI first. So it will be every customer's boundaries will be protected, so that there is no data leakage, and the intended users will have access to the intended content. We also made sure that is also happening. Now, the basic one, this is just not a search tool. Also, I'm going to show you the demo. As you can see, you will see like this basic one has the manufacturing compliance. So I'm going to ask like, uh, what are the precautions for protecting eye when there is a chemical spill and needs cleaning? So this is very I mean, most manufacturing, you wanted to clean, you might work with other chemicals, and you wanted to be able to have ways to like, okay, how do I do this on a day-to-day job? Like this could be for anyone in the company, right? Like, how do I do X, Y, and Z? And you can see like what we did is we are not using the models in big memory, rather we are using what we call the grounding. So that means we take content from your manuals or your processes, and then we can upload that as well. The idea is to show that, okay, the model, if the model is talking from its own memory, it can hallucinate a lot, versus when we provide this grounding information, then it only understands, okay, I have to answer from here, and it is responding it. So this makes us comfortable to use the system. This also helps you create trust with the system, that you know that where the data is coming from. This is an idea that we wanted to make sure we want to provide, because as the content is changing, it's not easy to keep fine-tuning models or retrain the model, versus this is a great way of us, as you can see, like how fast it came as well. Behind the scenes, we use Azure OpenAI, and we don't store any of your private data anywhere. This is basically within your within the application and within you itself only. Now, the other interesting thing that we have is like, we have an option where we can actually upload a file. If you have something that you may want to check, so you can see like, I'm going to choose upload, and I'm going to upload this DeepSeek file. This is basically like the DeepSeek's paper that came out. This is just to show as a sample. This document could be your own process document that you can use to upload here. As you can see now, the file got uploaded. Now I can say, okay, go summarize the DeepSeek R1 main features, and and tell me why, and explain why it's better than O1 or other reasoning model. And I'm just asking this question. This content is not available in the basic model itself, but you can see it goes back and it picks up from the PDF that we uploaded, and it is coming up and saying like, okay, it's creating and it's giving us the exact, I mean, most of the right information that we need. Um, Now, as you can look at it, this one also shows you um, the content where it is pulling it from, so we can be very sure of like, okay, where it is coming from, and the supporting chunks that it is using. This is just the internal way of how model is managing the data. So this can avoid hallucination, and this can provide just for the company specific data sets, and you can see how easy to maintain and manage. So that's pretty much the demo is all about. And as you know, this is just not an AI tool, it's a game changer for the manufacturing operations, unlocking the full potentials with security and enterprise wide compliance. Not only that, this tool can be used not only in the plant floor. We can consume this in the sales side of it, marketing side of it, supply chain side of it, the reliability side of it, the customer care side of it. So there are endless possibilities, and we can make manufacture much more productive and make it better for everyone. So please come, let's go open door for future of the smart manufacturing. Thank you and have a wonderful day.